Hello students, yesterday we have done the setting up of an equation. That means what is an equation and how can we form an equation. An equation is that algebraic expression in which the equality sign is present. That is, I can write x plus 4 is equal to 6. This is an equation. Now next topic is solving an equation. Today we will solve the equation. How can we solve the equation? There are three methods to solve an equation. First of all, what is the meaning of solving an equation? Solving an equation means the variable which is present in the equation, we have to find the value of variable. Okay, the value of that variable is known as solution of the equation. This is known as solving an equation. When we find the value of variable, this is known as solving an equation. What is solution? The value of an unknown variable that satisfies an equation is known as solution of the equation. What is solution? Solution of an equation means the value of an unknown variable that satisfies an equation. Satisfies means that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is known as satisfy the equation. Okay, it is known as solution of the equation. The value of that variable is known as solution of the equation. And I always write equation like this. This is short form equation, that is EQN. This is short form equation. You can also write equation like this, is equal to then n, equation. Okay, these are the short forms of equation. You can use any sign. And there is one example, 4x is equal to 12. This is an equation. And what is the solution of this equation? How can we solve this? We already know that when we multiply 4 and 3, then it is equal to 12. So 3 is the solution of the given equation. That is, when we multiply 4 and 3, then left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Then left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So x is the solution. The value of variable at which left hand side and right hand side are equal, that value is known as solution. Okay, so here x is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. There are some methods to find the solution of an equation. There are three methods. First is trial and error method. We can also say it hit and trial method. Next is equivalent equation method. We can also say it variable separation method. And next is transposition method. We will discuss these methods one by one. Today we will discuss only trial and error method. What is trial and error? Trial and error means in this method we substitute or put. Substitute means value को put करना, variable की value को put करना. We substitute or put the variable with different values. We always put different values of variables and try to solve the equation. Then we try to solve the equation till left hand side is equal to right hand side. We go on putting the values of variable from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. We put these values till left hand side will be equal to right hand side. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then the procedure will stop, and that will be the value of the given variable. And there is one note. It means if there is a lot of difference between left hand side and right hand side when we put the value of a variable, and if there is a lot of difference between left hand side and right hand side, then we can check for values at an interval of 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. If we are putting the value of variable 1, okay, and in the left hand side we are putting the value, and right hand side is, let right hand side is 100, and when we put the value in left hand side then we get 10. Okay, so there is a lot of difference between 10 and 100, so we can put the value of variable simply at 5 or 10. Okay, we can use the intervals rather than putting the value of variable as 2 in the next step. We can also put value of variable as 10, 15, 20, etc. Okay, this is the note that you have to remember. And then next is the example by using hit and trial method, that is trial and error method. Find the solution of equation x minus 4 is equal to 1. Find the solution of equation x minus 4 is equal to 1. We are given an equation x minus 4 is equal to 1. We have to solve this equation by using trial and error method. First of all, write the equation x minus 4 is equal to 1. Then we will write its left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is x minus 4 and right hand side is 1. Now we will put values of x, because x is a variable, so we will put values of x in left hand side. First of all, put x is equal to 1, then left hand side will be equal to 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and right hand side is 1, but minus 3 is not equal to 1. Okay, this is sign of not equal to, so minus 3 is not equal to 1, so we will put next value of variable, then we will put x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then left hand side will be equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, and minus 2 is also not equal to 1. So now we put x is equal to 3. Then left hand side is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 is also not equal to 1. So put x is equal to 4. When we put x is equal to 4, then left hand side is equal to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, and but 0 is not equal to 1. Then we will put x is equal to 5. When x is equal to 5, then left hand side is equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 1 is the right hand side. This is equal to right hand side. So here left hand side and right hand side are equal. So x is equal to 5 is the solution. At x is equal to 5, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. In this way, we can find the value of variable by using trial and error method. There is one more example. Find the solution of equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 65 by trial and error method. First of all, we will write left hand side and right hand side. Then we will put values of x, because x is the variable. First of all, put x is equal to 1. Then left hand side is equal to 4 multiply 1 plus 5, and 4 multiply 1 is 4. Here write 4. I have written 5, but there will be 4. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. But 9 is not equal to 65. That is right hand side. 9 is not equal to 65. There is a lot of difference between 9 and 65. So we can use interval. We can put values of x by using intervals. So we can also put value of x is equal to 5. When put x is equal to 5, left hand side is equal to 4 multiply 5 plus 5. Then it is equal to 20 plus 5. It is 25. And 25 is also not equal to 65. Then put x is equal to 10. Then left hand side is equal to 4 multiply 10 plus 5 is equal to 40 plus 5. And it is 45, and 45 is also not equal to 65. Then we will put value of x is equal to 15. Then put x is equal to 15. Then left hand side is equal to 4 multiply 15 plus 5, and it is equal to 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. And 65 is the right hand side. So it is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 15 is the solution of the given equation. So this is the solution. Now you can easily solve question number 6 of observations book. This is the question, find the solution by using trial and error method. You can do it yourself. Thank you.